Okay, I can't believe my eyes. There's a menu item I've been waiting for. The poster is out. I need to vlog about this. We need to vlog about this now. There is a fans. Boy, am I excited to do an episode today. We weren't planning to do an episode today, but news broke about McDonald's, U.S. McDonald's introducing Poutine across all U.S. stores. So we had to just rush in and do an episode. We sent Daryl out, our intern Daryl, still here. We sent him out to McDonald's to get us some Poutine because we want to be the first to test and review the U.S. Poutine, now available everywhere. And it's not a limited time either. It's a permanent menu item. So just a little background on this show. We've been doing a lot of diet episodes as part of diet, health and wellness. When you've had a restricted diet for a while, you want to have a cheat day or cheat meal to keep your metabolism up and also to encourage yourself to stay with the diet. So I've been eating pretty clean now for 31, 32 hours. So we're definitely due for 29 hours in a row. So we're due for a cheat day. Let me give you some background about Poutine, P-O-U-T-I-N-E. It's a traditional Southern California dish and very popular here. Recently, the hipsters in Canada have picked up on it. So we're glad now, and some French Canada have picked up on it now too. Everybody's following the trend in Southern California. But we're gonna do our taste now. We did this so fast. The business development group at there is a health, nerve, and wellness stopped us. It's about 12 people, so they really stopped us and said, "Look, we can do a 6-figure promotion deal with McDonald's like we did last time." And I said, we can't wait. And they said, well, at least we could do a quick 5-figure deal like we did with Spindrift Water. Check out that episode where we reviewed them. But I took I said no to the 6-figure promotion deal with McDonald's. I listened to the words of the great Tom Sizemore that, for me, the action is the juice I'm in. For us, Poutine is the action. So we are going to grab some today. We're not going to wait for any promotional deal. We're going to grab some today and do a review right now. So let's see. Daryl, hand it over. Hope you didn't blow all the money. Okay. All right. Hand it. Give me all of it. Give me all of it. All right. Get all this. Get all. All right. Okay. Need some refreshment? Give me the. Hand the Coke. Take it easy. Don't shake my Coke. Don't shake my Coke. If I crack it open, my floor will be soaking. Anyhow, let's look at let's get the party going. Let's do the, what do we have here? Okay, it looks like a fillet of fish. I hope you came back with Poutine. Yeah, pretty sweet. Doesn't have, okay. Fillet of fish. Maybe do a review of that later. And have a little guest appearance here. Alright, you can smell the food there, huh? Another fillet of fish. Check. God, I hope you brought the Poutine back. Or I'm gonna, okay, napkins. A double cheeseburger. Alright, I guess we can't just live on Poutine. Alright, Daryl, I hope you have money left for the poutine. Oh, by the way, if you're gonna get poutine from McDonald's, just don't forget one thing. A good supply of ketchup. Okay, looks like the poutine is here, so we're going to demonstrate it because this is really special. No, this being in the U.S. for the first time and available everywhere. So, my notes. It's available in two sizes. There is the small $2.99 and large. This is a large $4.99. So let's see how this stacks up with poutine. Hope you got a fork. Okay, got a fork. Okay, so there's three elements to poutine. Obviously the potato, gravy, and then the cheese curds. So let's check that out. Okay, so looks like McDonald's is using this, I guess it's probably a salad size container for this. This size thing, about a couple of minutes in my hand. So here's the McDonald's poutine available in the US. You see there's a gravy. You can see the cheese curds. Very long, good amount of cheese. And looks like for potato, they're using the fries form factor. Some other places are using a wider fry, but here it looks like they're using the fries. Makes sense as far as operational and production. Okay, so we have the three elements here. Smells great. Okay, just adding the last bit of ketchup on one side. Very good. Get some salt all over it. Alright, ready for the first taste test of poutine in the United States, where it started. Alright, let's see. Let's do it without ketchup first. Okay, get some gravy and curds on it. Let's see how this would. The taste is sensational. There's a right level of tanginess, crispiness, yet tenderness. Salt is perfect. My palate has to get used to this. Let's try it now with ketchup and gravy and curds. Let's try that combination. See how that. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is awesome. We give it a 10 out of 10. Poutine is here, baby. McDonald's. Go get yourself some this long weekend. Labor Day long weekend. Have a safe one. Get some of that. Get some filet of fish while you're at it too. Have a good long weekend, kids.